Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anevay and today's video is going to be a Michael Kors haul. I've been doing a lot of hauls lately, but that's because a lot of these name brands have been having a lot of good sales. Like, these sales are just delicious. So I took it upon myself to purchase a lot of things. So I'm trying to build up my accessory arsenal because I don't have very many purses. I don't have a lot of jewelry. I'm trying to change styles. I'm trying to add more quality pieces, name brand pieces, or like statement pieces to my outfits. That way my outfits look a little bit more cohesive and nice, a little bit more fancy. They sent me a huge box. Yeah, so this box literally takes up the whole frame and it covers my whole body. It take a little bit for it to come in. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video.
Links marked with an asterisk are affiliation links in which I make a very small commission. Feel free to use these links if you would like to support me.
So the first item I have is very exciting. I'm actually getting ready for fall. It's a pair of shoes. So I went ahead and got these boots that have like a metal heel. And on the zipper, like if you look at the detailing, it says Michael Kors and MK. I think this is gonna be such a cute like statement piece when I wear my fall outfits. I had to grab these cute little combat boot heels. I have worn my combat boots down to the sole, so I need to throw them away and get some better ones. So I decided to go for something a little bit more on the dressy side, and then later I'll probably grab like a more casual boot. But I think this is so hot. I can imagine all the different outfits that I can wear with this. This looks so comfy. The bottom has like texture so I won't slip. This is a very good decent size heel. It's not too big, not too small. I like that the back also says Michael Kors. I can't remember exactly like how much they are full price, but I'll go ahead and put it in the description. So the next item I got is a purse. I'm so excited for this one specifically because like I love mini bags. You know, with something so beautifully wrapped, you don't want to like unwrap it and ruin it, but oh well, you just kind of have to. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna rip this off. So this is a mini bag. It is so cute. This is the Mercer extra small pebbled leather crossbody bag, and it is so cute. So this was $348. This is a lot of money. I actually got it on sale for like $79. I feel like mini bags make a big statement. And plus, I'm not really a purse girl. I'm barely starting to get into all these cute accessories and stuff. And it's kind of hard for me to like lug around a big old bag, something that I'm not used to. So I'm gonna start off with like these little cute mini bags. It does come with a crossbody strap. I think this is perfect. I know they have other sizes in this bag too, but honestly, like, I feel like it reminds me of like the mini Louis Vuitton bags. I feel like a lot of the lower end luxury brands have been duping like Versace, Louis Vuitton. This is super cute. I actually like this more than what I thought I was gonna like it. The hardware on Michael Kors purses are always nice. I think Michael Kors has definitely stepped it up in the purse game. I honestly love this bag. I feel like this is gonna be my new everyday bag. Highly recommend. It's actually still on sale right now as I'm filming, which I hope it will stay on sale as you're watching this video if you're interested in this bag. The next item I got is the Jet Set large Safino leather crossbody bag, and this one I saw it and I had to have it. This is gonna be so cute. I can already tell. Ooh, this is like sturdy, pain to open. So this is a leather bag. This was $298 and I got it on sale for $89 plus an extra 20% off I think they were having at the time. They do have them in different colors, like they have it in a beautiful olive, they have it in a khaki brown, really pretty soft pink. So this is a really cute basic bag. It's currently on sale right now as I'm filming. It's so simple. I feel like it could go with a lot of different outfits. Of course, I got it in black again because black's my favorite shade and it goes with everything. It does feel a little firm as I'm trying to open it, so it might be a little annoying at first to get into your bag. It has a front pocket, a back pocket, so it's a little hard like to open this and for it to not get in the way. It's a little firm. I feel like this design kind of reminds me of YSL for some reason, or another like luxury name brand, just because of the style. So that was the Jet Set Large Safino leather crossbody bag. So cute. The next bag I got is really cute. It's number 6 on their bestseller site. This bag was $298 and I got it on sale for $99 plus the additional 20% off I had at the time. It comes in like baby pink and it's really cute, like the baby pink that it comes in. I think it's like the perfect shade of pink. Of course I had to get it in black. It is a leather bag, but it feels really soft to me compared to the other bags were a little bit more harder leather, and this one's definitely like more soft touch leather. They do know how to wrap these well. It comes with a little chain in the front, super cute. This little buckle right here unbuckles, and then when you unbuckle it right here, it says MK. So let me just take out all of this trash. This bag is really small. I would consider this a mini bag. This is the Lita bag, super cute, very edgy, very fashionable, definitely small. I'm gonna have to see what I can fit in here in another video, of course, if y'all would like to see that. I know those are very popular like on YouTube and on TikTok. Here are all 3 bags for comparison. These 2 bags are definitely smaller than the Safino. This one is categorized as a large, but I honestly feel like this is a medium-sized bag. When I think of large bags, for some reason I think of like extra large bags like tote bags and stuff. This one had my attention at the beginning, but I think I'm loving my Lita a lot more. So that concludes today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Go ahead and like my video. Hit the subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed to me. Let me know also down below like what videos you would be wanting to see in the future. Thank y'all guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.